This bad boy finally arrived. I say finally, it was actually quite rapid. I say finally, so I've been waiting so long. But the R210 SMS300 Plus. Been waiting such a long time for my own mitre, so let's have a look. I'm assuming this is the blade. Let's have a quick look. I believe they come with 24 too. Oh, that's where the magic happens. In fact, I'm going to put that back. Awesome. Well, it's well packaged, but it's also in many parts, which is a bit scary. Yeah, a little dust bag. Okay, it comes in 3 parts. Let's lift this out. That's the main motor. I love this matte black finish. And there's the base. The buttery biscuit base. Ooh. And the end stop clampy bit. I'll have a look at the instructions and see if I can get her assembled. I've also got the instructions. I believe these are the side plates that go on the side of the base to give you extra width. 2 of them there. Clamp. Some sort of knob. Another knob. Another knob. Hoover hose. Me slidey. That's separate. Let's see what's on the next level. Okay, so I've had a look at the instructions like most men do. And I'm going to wing it like most men do. And I've slot that in there. The bearing's quite noisy, but it's smooth. So now I'm going to look at this and figure out how that goes on. But again, I'm a guy and we can do this. That's got to slide on there somewhere. And looking at them, it's got some sort of locking pin or something. And I'm going to see what happens. Well, that was easier than expected. There's a lovely bearing here. And that sort of like rested it in height for me, and that just slotted and clicked in. But there's a couple of grub screws here that need to go in, which I assume make that more secure, but we'll be rolling. Let's figure out where them screws are. Yeah, that one too bad. A couple of little screws, 10mm each side. Just got to figure out where the handle is for that. I've also, what was it, screwed this in, that just screws in. Screws in, simples. I noticed as well there's a little Allen key there. I say a little Allen key. Oh, if I only looked properly. I went and searched for an Allen key to tighten up these bolts. And then as I was doing it, I seen an Allen key there. Thinking, oh, it's just for the blade. But no, it's a double-ended Allen key. So the Allen key for all the other little bolts is here also. Very handy. Alright, what next? What we got? Yeah, that's just that, that's just that, that's just that. This. I need to figure out how to use this. I feel like there's more to it than this. All I've done is put that in. There's got to be more to it than that. That was easy. Ah, I've got another knob somewhere, haven't I? I had a few knobs. Where's that other knob? Aha. This knob. Springy knob. I'm assuming that goes on there. Yeah, so I try to put that on there and see if there's something for here, because this is just spinning me out. Okay, I've been scratching my head for a few minutes and there's nothing else in the box for that, so I'm assuming you just use your hand, but you have to put down pressure on the saw for it to become loose. So apart from calibration, I've tightened that up, I've tightened that up. I believe I'm pretty much there. I still need to figure out what that's for though. What's this? Guarantee. That's not going to help me, is it? I think I might have to resort to the instructions. Yes. Oh wait, no. It go there. Ah, cool. No, I don't need to resort to the instructions. I say, if anything, it should just... Yeah, you can clamp that way. It's got a little quick release catch. Just top that over and... Yeah, works almost like a a clamp. And this one, which is pretty much standard with most saws. See, this is something the old Rage 3 didn't have. But yeah, that's it. Apart from calibrating it. Oh, I best feed the wire somewhere safe. It looks like there's something for there. Looks like something should go there. Okay, I'm going back to the box. Remember that first knob at the bottom? Under the clamp? That's it. So all I've literally had to do is slide this part through there, slide that onto there, which locks into place. Little bolt each side to secure it. Use them if you want to, so you don't even need them, but this is how easy the setup is. And we're men, we figured this out without instructions. Because it's easy. I just can't wait to start putting it to the test. Alright, let's get this on. Which is basically just going to go there. And it's like where you wrap your wire around, which is good. It's another thing the DB didn't have, is that. On my brother's, we wrapped it around here every time. And eventually the cable got slightly damaged, so looking at this we shouldn't have that trouble. Anyway, let's put this to the test. Okay, we're not putting it to test yet because I thought I was being clever because I'm a guy, and I put that on and I thought, oh, is that just supposed to rest on there? And I realised there's a hole there. So you have to feed this through that hole. And then wire meter. I'm just going to look at these. Yeah, so undo them 2 bolts at the side, and you got extenders. Ooh wee! Oh yeah, and the dust bag. Can't forget the dust bag. Give that a squeeze. Simple squeeze that around the pipe, or if you use your hose. Yeah, I've got one hand. It's quite hard, but it's easy. Can't get rid of me, can you? But yeah, I'm not going to jump in and just jump straight onto it now. I am going to actually calibrate it before I use it. But stick around for tests, because I will be getting on it with the tests. I've got various material I'm going to actually put this to the test with, including most parts that's listed on the actual box. Let's see if it's as good as it seems to be so far. I feel like I was going to say something else, but no. Enjoy.